Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to become a councillor. A councillor is a member of the parish council who is elected by the people in the division he or she represents. To run for a councillor, you will need to do the following. Ensure you are eligible. This means you must be at least age 21 with full Jamaican citizenship. A Commonwealth citizen may run for councillor after living in Jamaica for a minimum of 12 months. Take note of the dates stated for nomination day and election day. These dates will be announced by the current Prime Minister. If you wish to have a specific symbol, make a written application to the Chief Electoral Officer in your constituency specifying the symbol you wish to be allocated during the election. Remember, making this application is optional because the Chief Electoral Officer is still obligated to allocate to you a symbol after you have been nominated. The Chief Electoral Officer has the power to give you a symbol different from the one you like. If you are a member of a political party, you will have to use the symbol already chosen by that party. On or prior to nomination day, you are to obtain nomination paper and bring back the completed paper to the returning officer at the designated nomination center before the deadline. The nomination paper must be signed by any 6 individuals who are qualified to vote in the electoral division. Those 6 individuals are called your nominators. Pay the required deposit, which is currently $3,000, when handing in the completed nomination paper. After a successful nomination process, you will be made an official candidate for councillor of the parish council. You will now have the task to convince voters to vote for you on election day.